Dear all, as the chairman of Handloom Export Promotion Council, it gives me a pleasure in welcoming all participants on board for the virtual Indian Handwoven and Home Textile Sourcing event. You are aware the ongoing pandemic has brought most of the world to standstill and has presented the textile sector with unprecedented challenges. With the traditional export market going into lockdown and imposing travel restrictions to control COVID-19 outbreak, the buyers and sellers are finding it difficult to connect to keep their business going. To deal with this new normal situation, Handloom Export Promotion Council, as the nodal organization under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, is strategically working on an innovative way to provide opportunities for its member exporters to engage with global buyers by turning itself to virtual trade fairs and exhibitions. HPC proposes to organize series of virtual buyer-seller meets targeting traditional potential markets such as European Union, USA, UK, Japan, Australia, and also non-traditional market such as South America, South Africa, etc. I thank the Minister of Textiles and the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, for their financial support in organizing this event. I also thank Embassy of India, Consulate General of India for their valuable support in disseminating the information about our event to the potential importers in the target country. The 3-day virtual event targeting specific market region hosts about 20 Indian exporters from all over India with a virtual display of their products, which include the entire range of home textiles, floor covering and fashion accessories. This exhibition is organized on an advanced and fully equipped virtual platform which includes text chat, video chat, search by product, search company for a user-friendly navigation. I appeal to all the textile importers in the target market region to avail this opportunity by virtually visiting the event to find the right Indian suppliers for their sourcing needs, and hope this event will provide platform for both exporters and importers to establish business relationship. Wish all the participants to have a successful event. Thank you all.
Namaskar. Congratulations to the Handloom Export Promotion Council for this timely initiative to organize the Indian Handwoven and Home Textile Sourcing Buyer-Seller Meet. This is virtual this year for buyers and visitors from North America. In order to promote export of handloom products, HEPC has been providing support and guidance to more than 1,500, I understand, Indian handloom exporters and international buyers. HEPC has played a critical role in promoting handloom exports across the world. The domestic textiles and apparel market alone stood at around $100 billion in the financial year 2019. India's textile sector is one of the oldest industries in the Indian economy, dating back several centuries. It reflects the ethos of diversity in India's civilization. India's textile industry is also the second largest industry in India in terms of employment. This industry has around 415 million employed workers, including 3.5 million handloom workers across the country. The handloom sector continues to contribute strongly to India's economy as part of its India's textiles industry, which contributes some 7% to the industry output. The US is currently the largest importer of Indian handloom products, but Canada does not currently import a lot. However, we see tremendous potential to step up exports to the North American market, including to Canada, given India's commitment to cost and quality and the new energy in India's entrepreneurs. The large Indian diaspora in this region, both in Canada and the US, make the markets more attractive and give additional connections for business, additional champions for business. The Indian economy contracted in 2020, but now we are on track to achieve a V-shaped recovery. The IMF has projected more than an 11% GDP growth for India in 2021, and we hope we get into a high growth path for the entire decade. The India-Canada trade and economic relationship has become stronger. the total bilateral overall economic engagement between India and Canada in 2020 stood at over $100 billion. There are many complementarities between India and Canada which can be used to mutually benefit both countries as they march to growth, to prosperity. India's exports of high quality handloom and home textiles can add to this mosaic. I wish all success to HEPC's buyer-seller meet and wish that many more deals are struck during this meeting. Thank you.
Warm greetings from the Indian Consulate in New York. We are delighted that the Handloom Export Promotion Council is organizing Indian Handwoven and Textiles Sourcing Buyer-Seller Meet virtually from 23rd to 25th March 2021. In this virtual buyer-seller meet, there is special focus on the United States. In this country, United States of America, Indian textiles enjoys very high reputation. We have over the years serviced our customers to their satisfaction. In today's world where people want to be connected with nature, want to feel the real thing, the handcrafted products, it is a good time for us to explore and deepen our footprint, textile footprint here in the United States. The beauty of Indian textiles, its luster, its color, its vibrancy, and its appeal is deeply appreciated. I wish we can do more, and hopefully once the pandemic subsides, we can have a delegation from HEPC visiting New York and other parts of the United States. But for the time being, I'm sure the virtual buyer-seller meet that is being organized will be a huge success, and I wish HEPC, the Handloom Export Promotion Council, the very best. Thank you.
Namaskar. At the outset, let me thank HEPC for providing platform for virtual buyer-sellers meet for promotion of handwoven and home textile products from India. I would also like to thank MS Guzman Consultancy for facilitating meetings between exporters and prospective buyers in Canada. With 23 top-notch exhibitors across India showcasing a wide range of home textile products, this is a wonderful opportunity for buyers from this part of the world to see the quality products that India has to offer. What sets India apart from other sourcing countries in home textiles is the availability of abundant supreme quality raw materials, relatively cheap labor, and above all, highly skilled artisans who constantly provide latest and innovative design patterns in almost every product in home textile. Carpet manufactured in India are mostly hand-woven and are of natural fibers, which have long durability, are easy to wash, and require little to no maintenance. The bed linen, towels, and hand napkins are one of the cheapest in the world and of very good quality. All these factors make the Indian home textiles the most desirable products. Canadian home textile market is highly sophisticated. Canadian consumers spend reasonable amount of time and effort to design their home. Canada has over 4,000 home decor stores located across the country, which mostly sell imported home textile products. In addition, such products are also sold by specialty boutiques. E-commerce has also gained prominence with more and more Canadian consumers shopping online, also as an aftermath of COVID-19. India is the fourth most important source market for Canada with 7.41% market share in commodity textiles such as bed linens, towels, curtains, and textiles. It is clear that demand for home textile is increasing and there is a huge opportunity for Indian companies to expand exports to Canada. My advice to the Indian exporters is to strictly adhere to Canada's regulation for labeling, health and safety. Quality assurance and timely delivery of services is also extremely important. Given the large size of Canada, the majority of home decor imports are generally processed through an agent or distributor. I think if the exporters keep these things in mind, Canada can be a very significant market for India's home textile export. I'm sure that the platform that HEPC has provided today will stimulate numerous business opportunities for both exporters and buyers, which will go a long way in scaling up the trade ties between the two countries. I wish everyone participating in this sourcing fair a great success and hope that all of you will be able to strike mutually beneficial business deals. Thank you.